Guys, here I am on Google Drive and I am going to show you in this video how to download all your files from Google Drive. So here you can see I have multiple files. I also have a folder over here, but how do I download it? So let's just say I want to download one folder. I'll go to these three dots, or if I just hover over this document, I have a download option over here. I can just hit that and here you can see converting to Word and it's downloading, right? So I have selected the folder where I want to download it. I'm going to hit save and here you can see it has downloaded. In even in the recent download history it will appear. But what if you want to download multiple files? So one way is hitting Control A. So Control A will select all the files. By the way, if you're on some other web page, it's going to select all the things that are on the web page. So you have to make sure that you hit it. So now it has selected all the files and now I can download it, right? On the top also I have a download option. I can also go to these three dots and hit download. So let's just hit download and here you can see preparing download. So now that it has downloaded, it's going to ask me where I want to save it, right? So I'm just going to let it be drive download. I have named the folder. I can hit save now and again in the recent download history you can see drive download.zip it has downloaded. So why zip? Because it's going to compress everything so that the download size is smaller. So now I'm going to have to go and actually uncompress or extract all the files. So I'll hit extract all, extract, and now you can see it has actually extracted it and it has also made a different folder which is not a zip file. So you are going to have to extract your data out of a zip file if you select multiple files while downloading from Google Drive. Guys, before proceeding, please make sure you subscribe. Now I've shown you how to do all of them, but what if you want to select a few certain files? You can just hit Control and select certain files. Let's just say I want to download these three. I can hit download and it's going to create a zip file and download to wherever you want it. But what if I want to download just this folder, which is moitechstation? For that, I have gone to home and here you can see on the top, I have moitechstation, a folder that I have created. So to download it, I can just click on it and then you have a download option over here. You can also click on these three dots and download, or you can just go to the dots on the folder itself and hit download over here. So here you can see download ready. One file has been zipped and it has downloaded. So again, it's going to ask me what do you want to name it and where do you want to save it. So select the file and whatever name you want. I'm just going to go with this name for now. I'll just hit save and again in the recent download it's going to show you that it has been downloaded. It's very easy. It's very similar to File Explorer as well. So if you like the video, drop a like, share and subscribe.